Hello student, today we will do question number 10 and 11 from exercise 5.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, question number 10. The 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. 17th term will be what? A 17 equal to A plus 16D, and 10th term will be A plus 9D. According to question, seventeenth term is 7 more than 10th term, means A plus 16D minus A plus 9D equal to 7. A plus 16D minus A minus 9D equal to 7. 16 minus 9, 7D equal to 7. So D equal to 1. This is answer. Now see question number 11. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than 54th term? So first we will find a 54th term. A equal to here 3 plus 53. D is 12. So this will this is, if we'll add this, then 6, 3, 9. So which term of it will be 132 more than 54? So A 54 plus 132 equal to, we will add this 132 equal to 9 to 11, 3, 3, 6 and 7, 7. This is, so now we have to find this is which term, 771. So we will use formula 771 equal to A is 3 plus N we have to find minus D is 12. So this 3 will come this side, 771 minus 3 equal to N minus 1 into 12. If you subtract this, then 8, 6, 7 equal to N minus 1 into 12. So N minus 1 is equal to 7, 6, 8 divided by 12. If we divide this, 64. So n is equal to then 64 plus 1. N is equal to 65. 65th term. This is answer. This 65th term will be answer. I hope you must have understood the solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.